Looking for the best welding machine to buy in 2026? You're in the right place. Whether you're a professional welder, a workshop owner, or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right welding machine can make all the difference in performance, precision, and durability. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best welding machines of 2026, carefully selected based on their power, features, reliability, ease of use, and overall value for money. Be sure to watch until the end to find out which welding machine takes the #1 spot. And if you want to check the latest prices or learn more about any of the products featured, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now let's get started. 5. Hochschauer 200 Aluminum MIG Welder. Upgrade your workshop with this powerful 6-in-1 200-amp multi-process MIG welder. Engineered to handle virtually every welding task with professional precision. Combining flux core MIG, gas MIG, single pulse MIG, lift TIG, stick, 2T, 4T welding modes in one compact machine, it delivers exceptional versatility for DIY projects, automotive repair, home maintenance, metal fabrication, and light industrial applications. Its intelligent 110 volts, 220 volt dual voltage auto adaptation allows seamless operation in both household and industrial environments, while the 200-watt high-output inverter provides stable arc performance for welding everything from 0.8 millimeter thin sheet metal to thick steel plates with minimal spatter. The advanced single-pulse MIG mode produces cleaner, stronger aluminum welds with reduced heat distortion, and the Synergy control system automatically optimizes voltage and wire feed speed, making operation simple for beginners and highly efficient for experienced welders. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, an advanced cooling system, and comprehensive safety protections against overheating, overload, overcurrent, and overvoltage, this welder is designed for reliable, long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling precision spot welds or extended fabrication work using the ergonomic 2T, 4T trigger modes, this all-in-one welding machine delivers professional-grade results with outstanding convenience and efficiency. Watch the accompanying YouTube video to see its features, setup, and real-world welding performance in action. 4. CC 135A MIG Welder 110 volt. Looking for a compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly welding machine? This 3-in-1 multi-process welder is the perfect solution for DIY enthusiasts, home workshops, farms, and automotive repairs. It supports gasless MIG, MMA stick, and lift TIG welding, lift TIG torch sold separately, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of projects with one machine. Despite weighing only 7.7 pounds, 3.5 kilograms, it delivers an impressive 30A to 135A output with advanced IGBT inverter technology, providing a stable arc capable of welding up to 5 16-inch mild steel. The gasless flux core system eliminates the need for bulky gas cylinders, making it ideal for outdoor jobs, while the MMA mode easily handles rusty metal for reliable repairs. For precision work, lift TIG capability produces clean, professional-looking welds on stainless steel. Built with overcurrent and overheating protection, this welder is designed for long-lasting, safe performance. Best of all, it comes with a complete starter kit, including a MIG torch, ground clamp, 1-pound flux core wire, brush, and contact tips, so you can start welding right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this versatile machine offers outstanding value and dependable performance. Lincoln Electric Weldpack 225i Stick Welder. Power through your welding projects with this versatile dual-voltage DC stick TIG welder, delivering an impressive 10 to 225 amp output on both 120-volt and 230-volt power for everything from home repairs to demanding fabrication jobs. Weighing just 20 pounds, its lightweight inverter design and built-in toolbox make it easy to carry and keep accessories organized wherever you work. Enjoy a smooth, stable arc capable of welding 12-gauge sheet metal up to 5 16-inch steel in a single pass, while the TIG-ready function provides added flexibility for precision welding, TIG accessories sold separately. The complete accessory kit includes a shoulder strap, 13-foot work cable with clamp, 13-foot electrode cable with holder, and a 6-foot input cable with both 650p plug and 515p adapter, so you're ready to weld right out of the box. Watch our YouTube video for a detailed hands-on review, performance test, setup guide, and see why this welder is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional welders alike. 2. Yeselder 135A MIG welder. Take your welding projects to the next level with this powerful and portable flux core welder designed for both beginners and experienced professionals. Featuring an adjustable voltage range of -3 volts to +3 volts. It delivers precise arc control for cleaner, stronger welds. The advanced digital display lets you monitor welding current in real time, making every job more accurate and efficient. Weighing only 11.4 pounds, this lightweight welder is easy to carry with its built-in handle, making it ideal for home, garage, workshop, or on-site repairs. As an added bonus, it includes 2 pounds of premium E71T GS 0.030-inch flux core welding wire, allowing you to start welding immediately without the need for shielding gas. Built with automatic voltage compensation and multiple safety protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, it offers reliable performance and peace of mind. Want to see how it performs in real-world welding tests? Watch our full YouTube review for a hands-on demonstration, setup guide, and honest performance results before you buy. 1. Our Captain Pulse MIG welder. Take your welding projects to the next level with this powerful 7-in-1 multi-process welder designed to handle Pulse MIG, standard MIG, gasless flux core, lift TIG, MMA stick welding, and optional spool gun support, all in one compact machine. Featuring advanced Pulse MIG technology, it delivers cleaner welds with minimal spatter, reduced heat input, and less distortion, making it perfect for aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, and thin sheet metal. The intelligent synergic control system automatically adjusts welding parameters for effortless operation, while the large dual-color LED display provides clear, easy-to-read settings in any working environment. Built with multiple safety protections and a high-performance inverter, this welder ensures stable arc performance, long service life, and reliable operation for DIY enthusiasts, home garages, workshops, and professional fabrication jobs. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to transport to any job site. Watch the full YouTube video to see its real-world performance, setup process, key features, and welding test results before making your purchase. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Welding Machines 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect welding machine for your needs and budget. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. All the featured welding machines are linked in the video description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices, deals, and more details. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.